Let me share with you our haul from Abu Dhabi. So yan, Teen, we were fortunate to have Teen for a few days. Actually, dinner lang. But the next day, we were able to bring them sa airport. So ito yung kanilang ano. Although galing sa London kasi they went to London. Ayan. So meron din siyang London haul. Na-share ko na yan sa inyo. So ito naman yung I think from MJ, yung friendly teen, ayan. It's a twinning shirt. So pareho kami ni Popsy ng t-shirt color and design. Ayan. Popsy and for me. And ayun, meron tayong rep magnet again from Abu Dhabi. Meron na tayo dyan na isa o dalawa. And this is Dubai. Ayan, wala pa tayong Dubai. Ayan, so yan, nag-request tayo. And we have Champ chocolates, konting chocolates. Ayan. Si Popsy natikman na, bukas na oh. Di pa tayo kumakain. So we need to check our sugar first before we eat our chocolates. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.